Hi and welcome from AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that it's going to be useful for you. And we're going to be showing you around and showing you some of the features and condition of our lovely BMW 7 Series. But before we proceed, I'd just like to make you aware that you are dealing with a Retailer Awards 2022 Customer Experience Finalist. So AMT Auto Leeds, we came second out of 13,500 dealerships nationwide. It's a badge that we wear with pride. You know, we earned it, but you can speak to us, ask us any questions and buy from us in confidence, knowing that you're in safe and capable hands. But without any further ado, let's have a look at this beautiful piece of machinery we have in front of us. So this is a 2018, it's a 68 plate BMW 730D M Sport. It's only covered 34,436 miles. And to start with, I've got to say, this is backed up with full BMW service history. Last serviced in August 2022, just 3,000 miles ago. It has never missed a service with BMW and always had that done. Now, the specification on the vehicle is absolutely superb as well. Whether you're driving the car or being driven in it, it's absolutely superb. So it's finished in the Jubilee Silver metallic paintwork. Obviously we can see it's the M Sport. We have the stunning alloy wheels. There, the 5 twin spoke design. Also notice that we have the privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards and black window trim. So just a couple of niceties, but we've not yet got started on the real spec. First of all there, just go to the door. We do have the keyless entry and keyless go function. You can even see in this light that we do have the cabin ambient lighting. And now let's get started with some more specifications. So the upgraded Harman Kardon surround sound system. Beautiful sound, crisp, clean music. As well as heated front seats, we have 2-stage memory and massage function. Finished with Black Nappa Leather. And let's jump in and get this thing started. So as you can see, we've mentioned that you have got the heated seats. What I would also like to do is demonstrate, as well as a reversing camera, that they have the 360-degree camera, giving you the bird's eye view of the vehicle from the top. And while I'm here, what I would also like to do, just again, emphasize this stunning service history. Have a look at that. Brings a smile to my face, and I'm sure it would you as well. So just turn that off. We'll then proceed to the back of the vehicle, as this particular vehicle does have the comfort seats in the rear. So if I just show you how, we have the luxury head restraints just there. And if we just pull down the center console, full electric function for the rear passengers also. The car is beautiful. What a fine piece of machinery. Beautiful vehicle, very well looked after, very well maintained. And even got the soft closing doors there as well. Really does finish it off very nicely. So I would just like to take this opportunity to thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch this video. Again, I hope it's been useful for you, and we look forward to speaking to you soon, discuss your requirements and needs, see if we can do some business. Thank you very much.